What's up everyone, it's Rick here with UTVsource.com. We are back from our trip. Car did excellent. Little bit of damage. Not too bad, I'll fix it. But what we're doing right now is I'm gonna go through the proper steps of how to maintain and clean your side-by-side or your motorcycle or even your cars. So right here is the Shine Supply UTV wash kit. I'm gonna do a unboxing and go through it, and then I'm gonna get to it. I have to have this at the Off-Road Expo. It's Friday. It's in 2 days. No big deal. We all wash our side-by-sides. It's just how well you wash it. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is how you're gonna get it. It's gonna come with 3 sprayers. Oh, this is really nice. This is the body brush. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's really soft. It's not hard and stiff. It's not gonna scratch anything up. This is clean and shine, clean and condition. So I've used this, it's awesome. I put it on my Raptors. We've got the applicator pads, really nice ones. This is Clutch Silica Spray. Now, Clutch Silica Spray is a property of ceramic. So guys, just so you know, this is going to make your plastics look amazing. It also will rejuvenate your spray and bed liners on your trucks. This is awesome. I love this product. This is called Clutch. Boom, here we go. This is the Whole Shot Complete Off-Road Cleaner. This is not a heavy detergent. So if you guys are washing your UTVs with like Dove or Palmolive, they have some pretty gnarly detergents in there. This doesn't have that. This is gonna be safe. And if you don't know what I mean by the detergent side of things, maybe you take your cars or your side-by-sides through car washes and they come back and it's a little bit rainbowed. Well, that's because you're peeling away from the detergents, the clear coats. They're very caustic. So that's the soap. Hot Shot car wash soap. This is amazing. I actually, this stuff's great. You can use this in a pressure washer as well. It's gonna come with a pack of microfiber towels. And last but not least, we're gonna get a brand new foam gun. So guys, you can use this on your UTV, your car, anything you want. I love these, they work great. It's gonna come with a sprayer, with a quick release. This is really nice. This is not cheap plastic crap. This basically clips right in and locks in. And the nozzle is in the right here with all the components. This is your adjuster. So, this is the UTV cleaning kit. You've got everything you need to dial this in. This is exactly what I'm gonna use right now, and we're gonna get to it. Just so you guys know, when you're detailing or washing your side-by-sides, it is kind of important to try and not saturate your dash and all your electronic components with water. So I avoid wiping the dash or washing the dash at all costs. Keep the water down low. And I will wash the motor, but normally I'll turn it on while I'm doing that. So no water is getting into the electrical connections and creating some issues down the road. See that fade from the dirt and the sand? This is Wise Guy. This is what it does. That's Wise Guy. It's a cool guy. This is gonna eat the iron. That's turning purple. That's all the iron that was out there in the brake dust. You don't want to do this in the direct sunlight, guys. Now you don't have to wash that off. I like to. You don't want to do it in direct sunlight. Not good either. My bucket. Start low. it'll look like that when we're done. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other 3, and then I'm gonna get to the wash. This is Wise Guy. Does not come in the kit. This is awesome. Cool guy. Gotta be careful with this. It's pretty good. So we're gonna get to it. Let me finish those off. Okay, step 1's done. Wheels and tires. See how they're drying? And they're not drying with a funky color? They're back to like brand new with no slimy stuff on there. Wheels are super clean. Minimal amount of time in there. We're letting the product do the work. Foam gun. So this is what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna get after it. That's it. Super simple. So, soap's doing its job. It's breaking everything down. I'm gonna come over with Whole Shot. I'm just gonna spray it on there. This is gonna help dilute, dissolve, and break down some more stuff. Not going crazy with it. Just enough. That's all you need. That's good. Boom. This is a wrap. This brush is actually really nice. So, pretty simple, just with the brush. I got a pretty gnarly wrap on there, it's all overlays. So we're gonna see if this brush and this product hurt this build. Let's wash it off. I don't know how you guys go about drying your side by side off. I know what I do. I drive it for a minute. Oh, I'm sure my neighbors love me. Anyways, that agency exhaust sounds dope, right? So does the blow-off valve. It's got used. Now you can hear it all. So, you grab some microfibers, dry it off, and go through the rest of the steps. All right, so that's the wash. I've dried it off. I didn't go ham on this, guys. Really trying to like be really honest about everything, but you can see that it did its job. I only dried it so far. That's what everyone's floor is gonna look like. You know, after it's washed, it gets scratched up. It is what it is. Wanted to show you this. Remember when we started off, this is what our tires looked like, okay? I only used the Wise Guy and wheel cleaner. This is what it looks like now, right? There's nothing on that. It looks brand new. It went from that to that with minimal work. And for reference, this is a brand new tire. So when I say it looks brand new, it looks brand new. Actually, it looks better than brand new. This one's got the mold release agents on it still. Look at that. Nothing on that. So now what we're gonna go to is I'm gonna show you about Clutch and Clean and Shine. This is in the kit. I'm gonna show you what it does. All right, guys, this is Clutch, the silica spray. I use this on my truck bed liner. It makes it look brand new again when it's faded. You apply it with an applicator. This is legit. So, always want to shake them up. I'm not going to spray the plastics. I'm going to hold it down here. I'm going to spray the applicator. Now you can spray the plastics if you want. Kind of make a mess on the floor. Don't need to do that. So I want you to pay attention to the plastics. Remember, I don't wash up in the dash. I don't want to ruin everything. The cool thing about it is it's on the applicator. You can put it on your cage, put it on your mirrors. If they're fading out, it's going to rejuvenate them, right? You can go back in and knock it down. You can put it on your wrap if that's what you want to do. So it's changing the color, it's soaking in, it's not just covering up. This is what they spray. If you guys are familiar with ceramic coatings, clutch is a rejuvenator for ceramic coated vehicles. All right, so we've gone over everything with clutch. We're gonna start now with the clean and shine. So you can use this on interior pieces as well. I chose to use the silica spray because I've used all of these before. You know what I mean? This is a cleaner, like a cleaner, mild detergent. It didn't really need it that bad, so I went and applied clutch, and I'm letting it sit on there. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean the seats with clean and shine. Everything I'm doing to this side by side is the same steps you're gonna take on your personal vehicles. This is not a magic spray. You're not gonna spray this on and it's gonna look amazing and it's gonna take out your scratches from, you know, hitting stuff. This is not that product. This is actually getting in and cleaning your vehicle. That's pretty much it, guys. This thing's dialed, it's clean. I'm into it maybe an hour. I should note, when you're using clutch, the longer you let it sit, you do have to buff it off. You have to flatten it and level it. Again, this isn't stuff you just let it sit and it's gonna look amazing and glitter and shiny and all that crap. You're just spraying snot on stuff. You know, I'm not a paid ambassador. I don't endorse any products that pay me to say it. This is legit. If you're into actually detailing your side-by-side or your vehicles, okay? Check it out. Check it out on the website, utvsource.com. Continue to follow us on our YouTube page, UTV Source. Check out our stories. And check out our Shine Supply stories. You'll know what I'm talking about. So that's it. It looks amazing. So we're gonna be getting into some reviews later on, but until then, I'll see you out there. And I gotta deal with that. Thanks for following. Like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you guys later.